our limited monthly t-shirt again. This is going to be our May edition. I took out the package, obviously. It comes nicely packaged. This is the shirt. All of our shirts now come with the carbon fiber tag, which is really dope. Real carbon fiber. It's sharp, but it doesn't cut you, which is pretty cool. So I opened boxes with this thing. It's a really dope keychain, actually, and it's not gonna break. The back graphic is what it's all about. It is the Liberty Walk Aventador wide body. This is that khaki green color. So it's online now. It's limited as usual. I think this is gonna sell out really quick. So get on the website. Limited shirts always come with extra goodies. Along with the graphic, you also get the sticker. This is actually my favorite sticker so far. It's clear in the back, so you can put on anything and it'll show up. And an RDB air freshener. So air freshener, sticker. Who gets all of this literally in just a t-shirt pack? So yeah, get on there right now, rdbla.com.
I'm happy.
You're happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Why are you happy?
Like something like a big rock fell from my chest.
Why would you feel like that?
I don't know.
Nobody's letting you go to Armenia, you know that, right? I don't know why you're happy all of a sudden.
So
You still can't go.
A rock from my chest.
Yeah, a rock. That rock is your job leaving you. Get the f away from me, man. YouTube, find me a good body shop manager. If you know a body shop manager, contact me, info@rdbla.com. We need a real body shop manager to handle day-to-day stuff, have a lot of fun, preferably bold so we can plaster up your head. But no, seriously, we need a professional body shop manager.
Yeah, you have to do a free YouTube. You have to order the parts. You have to do a estimating. You have to control.
He doesn't even know his own rules, what he's supposed to do.
Seven employees.
Apparently he's going to Armenia.
Oh, he is. He's going. He's gonna go.
So if anybody in Armenia sees Sarkis and you send us a picture of him in Armenia, you'll get a very, very special present sent to you.
No one cares that he's going to Armenia. Honestly, if you guys see him in Armenia and you guys, like Vic said, you guys take a picture, I myself will give you, whoever has the picture and sends it to us at Armenia, there has to be really good proof. I will give the person who took a picture $300 cash. He's jumping up and down. He's going for his birthday, I believe. It's his birthday, so he's celebrating it in Armenia. I mean, nowadays, don't you like celebrate your birthday at home? You know, nice little relaxed dinner with family, but he's going to Armenia, so which is, you know, I mean, he wants to go to Armenia, so yeah. It's fun to take a vacation. It feels good sometimes, but I don't know how he's gonna go to Armenia for a week. It's a lot of traveling. It literally takes like 2 days out of the week to go traveling. To go come back, you lose like 2 days. So he's gonna literally enjoy only like 4 to 5 days. I don't know. What the hell? What are you doing here?
I want to ask you something, but you're busy.
You have to finish this car. Are you serious?
When I finish over there, I'm going to ask you something.
All right, guys, if you follow our Instagram accounts, you guys already know we had a lot of Ferraris in our shop this week. This is one of the 812s that we worked on. This vehicle was bone stock in a white color with silver wheels, and now it is wrapped in satin dark gray, which is a beautiful, beautiful color. Door jambs and everything, of course, so no white showing anywhere. We powder coated the stock factory wheels in gloss black, and we also did Novitec springs. So that's why the car is lower. It looks a little funky because of the stock wheels. He did order some wheels that are going to be coming soon, so he's going to be throwing those on and it's going to look perfect then. And we've been seeing a lot of white 812s, so pretty cool to get one in white and change the color real quick so you could stand out and be a little different. This is a beautiful car after all, and the interior goes really cool because I'll show you guys now. The interior is black and red, and it looks fantastic with the satin dark gray. Obviously, like I said, we did door jambs as well, so no white showing. But yeah, red and gray has always been an amazing combination. So really, really dope spec 812 right here. Stock exhaust. I'm a firm believer of doing exhaust on the 812. Sounds amazing. Maybe you'll do it one day, but really, really good thing to do on these cars are an exhaust system. These are going to get super popular, I believe, because prices are coming a little bit down. And this is a V12 engine. You know, the SF90 is hybrid, so a lot of Ferrari guys are freaking out, thinking this might be the last V12. They are releasing a limited edition of this one that we also posted on Instagram a few days ago, sort of like the TDF. I think that's going to be one of the most insane cars ever built by Ferrari, so super excited to see that. But yeah, there you have it, another Ferrari. exotic car, you better get the lift, hydraulic lift with that option. If you don't, Novitec sells it and we install it. It's literally the best option on these cars, the lifter. The steering wheel is new, came with the F8s, 812s, really gorgeous steering wheel. Everything's on there for the driver. This is where your windshield wiper system is. High beams are actually on the steering wheel. Turn signals are on the steering wheel, and you could do it from the back and you can do it from the front. So very ergonomic. Everything is in your hands. Volume and track buttons are actually behind you, and you press them with your middle fingers. They're hidden. And the horns are actually, the horn now is on the airbag. So they used to be on a button here, but now it's here. Shifter lights. I mean, look at the steering wheel, man. You have voice command, phone call, engine start. This is your shock button. If it's rough roads, bumpy roads, you press that, it gets softer. And then here you have your traction control system right here. So that's a lot of stuff on one steering wheel, which also has carbon fiber. So probably the dopest steering wheel in any car would be the Ferraris. Super, super sick, honestly. So props to Ferrari on that. Everything else is kind of more standard. So it's very driver friendly. We have this Huracan EVO right here. This is the newer model Huracan, of course. Alright, so we got the Huracan EVO right here, brand new car. Really, really dope spec. This was yellow before, which is an awesome color. And also had this really crazy yellow and black interior with those awesome racing bucket seats. But this customer wanted to go ahead and wrap this car in this matte metallic purple. We're filming it right now on the street because we're washing it. We are past our hours, but we're still filming here for you guys. Just finished this thing up. We also installed the 1016 Industries carbon fiber wing on there, so that looks really, really nice on the Huracan EVO, something it's missing. Other than that, really beautiful car. I don't know why they come in this super high mode like this. That's the other thing I would do to this car, is lower it. Lowering would significantly improve this car. But for now, we did not do that. Other than that, bone stock. And we also did something really cool that we used to do a lot more often. Stars in the roof. We did stars, changed the whole headliner, made it perfect. Works amazingly well. And you could change the colorway. You could do yellow, white, whatever purple you want. So it's daytime right now and the stars are still obviously visible. You turn them off, you turn them on. This is like yellow, looks really cool. Obviously we could do white. We could do blue. Whatever color you want. Purple to match the exterior. You can make it, like I said, flash. All kinds of stuff. So we're gonna go take it around the block, make sure there's no errors and stuff like that. This car is $460,000. Moses is making fun time with the parrots. We have Jeffree Star's other vehicle here, right here. This is a Black Badge Dawn, okay? He bought the Cullinan Black Badge and the Dawn Black Badge together. Actually, that's the Cullinan right there. We're about to tear it apart to do a wrap. This is gonna be next. That's gonna be a little bit of a milder version. This is gonna be completely wild, okay? I'm just gonna tell you one thing we're gonna do to it, which is pretty much, they're closing a gate and there's parrots over here. Somehow there's parrots on Sunset Boulevard. So we're gonna go over some wraps right now because Jeffree wants to wrap the outside of the vehicle like the inside. It's gonna be wild. We're gonna do some wild wheels as well. But I'm guessing there's no wrap that's gonna be similar. So we might have to do a custom wrap. But from 3M, this is gonna be the closest it looks like. But as you can tell, it's way too yellow. If we make it satin as well, it might numb it out. Let's check out some options from Hexus. Again, very difficult color to match. Yikes, definitely tough to match. Let's check out Avery. Avery has this color. Oh, nice. This is actually Not bad. Closer than the rest, I think. This is a very tough color to work with. So we're gonna see if we're gonna use one of these or we're gonna make our own. Let us know what you guys think. But yeah, I'm leaning towards custom printing because why not make it look even more special. That Cullinan back there is going to be a custom color as well. So why not do custom again for Jeffree? Make it really, really unique.
Look, I know you're never satisfied with nothing, with anything really. But we got I put together the BMW, no problems. We finished the Audi.
The Audi's not done.
Okay, well we almost finished the Audi. We got it. We finished the Lambo, and we put the cars that you want to get wrapped next in the bays, and we're gonna tear them down tomorrow.
That's not that
So,
much work.
can I have the orange convict sweater? The new RDB 060 collection.
Since you are already a convict, you can take one.
Yes! Yes! This is from the new 0 to 60 collection. Bro, I'm never going to jail. It gets hotter in jail. Yeah. I work hard for this shit, alright? I work fucking hard. Alright?
We sell a lot of t-shirts, so we're gonna be doing a fulfillment warehouse where they're gonna ship it right away, fast, where we don't have to do it from here anymore. So we're gonna do a sale. This is gonna be for the older shirts, like let's say for this car, which I love this shirt. A lot of it is sold out in sizes, so go on there now. 40% off some of the shirts. It's a steal of a deal for the quality. We're not going to restock them at all. Once they're gone, they're gone. We're going to take them off the website and everything because we are doing still the monthly shirts, which we just dropped already, the Aventador shirt, and we're going to be doing more collections in the future. So get on there now, 40% off.
I appreciate everything you guys have done for me. You know? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Not for the sweater, but for everything else. Fucking love you guys.
We're going to show tomorrow, right?